me, Casey Renee, here with another YouTube video. I'm so excited about this video because it's something different. Typically, I do the whole like makeup and hair thing, but I've been wanting to try vlogging just because I watch other people's vlogs all the time, and I'm like, you do that, just record what you're doing. Duh, no brainer. But I wasn't sure how that will reflect in my numbers or my views or whatever. So we're gonna try it out and see how it works. We're doing a 5 to 9 routine, so 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. when the kids get home. After I get off work, I work from home 3 days a week, so maybe I'll do like a vlog on getting ready in the morning to go to the office, and then like how we get ready for bed the days I go to the office. We'll see if y'all like this. But I also wanted to bring to you my new device I received from momcozy. momcozy is my girl, okay? When I tell you momcozy comes through, momcozy comes through every single time. I have had multiple of their products. I purchased with my own coin multiple of their products. I've had the breast pump, the hands-free breast pump, love, took it to work, all the things. I've had the noise machine, the little shusher thing. I've had bras. I've had a number of their products. Love them down, okay? I know they have diapers, wipes, and all the things. I've used their wipes. I haven't used their diapers, but if I still had a little baby, I would still use that. I would use their diapers, but Bailey grown, so we're not even going there with the diapers. But this monitor has changed my after school, after work home routine, okay? When I tell you I don't have to go in there and get up and stop doing what I'm doing to go check on them kids, because I just look at them on this monitor. And my favorite thing about it is it's a monitor. I don't have to have it on my phone. I can just sit my monitor, carry it all around the house without being on my phone or having to go to an app. They do have an app that you can download to also share or see the video through your phone, but sometimes I need my phone, and sometimes I just want it to be up where I can just push the button and see them, okay? So that has definitely changed my after school routine with the girls. Also, the camera looks like this, and it comes with chargers and everything, but when I tell you this eats, it eats. The video quality, unmatched. It is so good. And the size of the screen, and it's Wi-Fi 9 Wi-Fi. So you can use it on Wi-Fi, and if you don't have Wi-Fi. Tell me that don't eat. Okay. But anyway, so typically I try to cook dinner starting at 5 when I get off work, and the girls get here around 6, so I like to have their food ready before they get here or when they get here, so they can just sit down and eat and then go play before they do bath time and get ready for bed, because we have a small window by the time they get home. So we just kind of got to get it all in when we can. So I recorded the video yesterday of my routine and forgot to record the intro, so here I am. But let me know what y'all think about this vlog thing. See if we can make it work. I'm trying to figure out if it will work and if I'll have time to record, because typically I don't have that much time. We trying to get out the door or get to bed. Like, it's just a lot, okay? So, yeah. Let me know what y'all think, and let's get right to it. So this is the quality of the camera. I'm gonna sit this down because I have my phone in my hand, and you can move the camera right, up, down, left, right, whatever, just to see everything. And then of course you can speak through it, and I don't really know what this button is for. Let's see. Oh, it's for the SD card, whatever. So yeah, so this is the camera quality. I wanted to show y'all the night vision, and it has this little kickstand, so it can sit up like so. Yeah, it's pretty good. It tells the temperature, and it has the time and the charge on it. The charge lasts pretty good. It comes with 2 chargers. The screen does go blank, like if it's not being used for a little bit, but you can always turn it back on. But yeah, love this camera down to the ground, baby.